With AI, you can literally start a new dropshipping store in 5 minutes without even using your brain. You just need two specific prompts to ask ChatGPT. I'll show them to you right now. For this example, we're going to be selling this body exfoliating glove. I've made another video on it before, but it's just a classic winning dropshipping product. You can run it if you want. Every dropshipping store has two main components, the product page and then the ads that will drive traffic to that product page where you then sell the product. So step one will be to have ChatGPT write us a good product page. This is the exact prompt I use. Please write a sample product page for this product. In this case, it would be the body exfoliating glove, using benefit-driven marketing that focuses on driving immediate purchases. That last part's really important because we want to target benefits for the consumer and we want to make sure that they buy right away and don't just click off the page. The response it gives is literally perfect. You can use this word for word if you want to. Step two is then have it make the ads for you. This is the prompt I use. Create a clip-by-clip breakdown for a short form TikTok-style direct response ad for this product. We're going to be using TikTok ads for this, so that's why I said TikTok style, and this is the response. Again, literally perfect, points out benefits for your customer, has a call to action at the end to buy now. It's so easy to dropship now with AI, there's no excuse to not start.